Starting a food business is a thrilling venture, but one that largely encompasses careful planning and consideration. Here is how you can get started in such an enterprise, step by step. 1. Research and plan. Identify your niche. Determine precisely the kind of food business you will engage in: food service, food truck, catering, online food delivery, or specialty food products. Market research. The understanding of the target market, competitors, demand of the product. Visits to similar businesses, food events, survey of potential customers. Business planning. Put down on paper a plan regarding your business objectives, target audience, product offering, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and projected financials. This serves as your roadmap and is required for venture capital financing. 2. Develop your product. Recipe development. Refine your recipes to achieve consistency in taste, quality, and presentation. Menu planning. Establish a menu that is appealing and yet easy to execute and inexpensive. Sourcing ingredients. Source fresh ingredients from reliable suppliers with consideration for sustainability and local sourcing. 3. Know the legal requirements. Business structure. Identify a legal form for your business such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC or corporation. Licenses and permits are required, but the type and number vary. The types of permits and licenses include food handler's license, business license, health department permit, and liquor license, where applicable. Food safety regulations. Comply with local and federal food safety regulations. Understand what to expect regarding food handling, storage, and labeling. 4. Find a location. Physical address. Starting a restaurant or the food truck on the ground, let the location be highly trafficked with visibility and accessibility. Online presence. This involves a professional website if selling online, or alternatives such as online marketplaces and food delivery websites. 5. Set up your operations. Kitchen equipment. Purchase or rent the required kitchen equipment, utensils, and appliances. Ensure that your kitchen setup is conforming to health and safety standards. Employing staff. Hiring the best staff, if necessary, and training in food safety and customer service. Inventory management. Establish a system to manage inventory, place orders for supplies, and minimize waste. 6. Branding and marketing. Brand identity. A strong brand identity, which includes a logo, color scheme, packaging of products, reflects your personality and business values. Marketing strategy. Employ social media promotions, local advertising, and a food influencer network to help promote your business. Discounts, events, or attending food festivals could also work quite well. Online presence. Create a website and promote on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Yelp. Online reviews, word of mouth are key to success in the food business. 7. Launch and grow. Soft opening. Soft launch to test your operations and gather feedback prior to a grand opening. Customer feedback. Take feedback from customers throughout and implement changes wherever required. Times expand. After getting established, venture into new areas for expanding the business, which might include opening outlets and offering catering services or launching new products. 8. Financial management. Budgeting. Based on your tracking of expenses and revenues, make the relevant adjustments to keep within a reasonable budget. Pricing strategy. Your pricing should cover the cost and provide returns, too, while remaining competitive in the market. Funding. If required, raise funds through loans, investors, or crowdfunding. 9. Stay compliant and insured. Insurance. Acquire necessary insurance for your business, such as general liability, property, and workers' compensation insurance. Tax compliance be in good standing with sales tax, income tax, and payroll tax. 10 adapt and innovate stay current keep up with industry trends, customer preferences, and new technologies. Innovations, renewal in menus, introduction of new offers, and research into new marketing methods will keep your business fresh and desirable. A food business takes passion, commitment, and careful planning to get started, but when done right, is very rewarding.